magpapashopping ako kay Dudong. Pero didiskartehan ko na a little bit. Wait lang. Pupunta kasi kami ngayon ng Taiwan. Wait lang. Mag-i-impake na ako. I packed my things already, love. Love, close mo naman. Done na ako packing. Close mo. Done already. Yan. That's all my things for Taiwan. Wala na ako clothes. Love. Wala na ako clothes.
Just buy there now.
Buy na ako there?
Yeah.
Shopping ako there?
Yeah.
Waste money yun. Okay lang yun?
Just buy cheap ones and
Cheap one? No cheap one stuff. Love, shopping ako there sa Taiwan.
yes, love.
Baka you think, nagwe-waste ako ng money.
No.
No?
Where's the other one? The Disney one?
There, inside.
Oh.
This one lang ang pako, ha? Shopping ako sa Taiwan. Sige, get